Keep it clean.
Hello, everyone. Kathy Sabeda, mortgage planner and proud veteran. This is video number 4 with Janice, and this is out of the box financing, and this one is called asset depletion. Janice, take it away.
Hey, Kathy, great to be here. And that's right, this is out of the box. So if you're wondering how you're going to qualify for a mortgage and you don't have any income, if you have money, so if you have assets in the bank, stocks, bonds, CDs, retirement, cash equivalents, money in the bank, we can deplete that and divide it by either 60 or 120, depending on your scenario. And that will be your monthly income to help you qualify for a mortgage. It's
And
that simple.
that sounds so easy. So give you an example. Have a person right now, he's retired, he's winding down his business. He's going to sell his business. So guess what's going to happen? He's going to have cash, but he's not going to have monthly cash. And so when we're trying to qualify you for a loan, we want to see that you have income coming in for the next, we usually project up to 3 years. So if you're retired, you sell your business, you got all this money in the bank, yeah, you could buy the house cash potentially, right? But what Janice is saying is, hey, what we're going to do is take your assets, use it more like collateral, right? To say, hey, this is proof they have the money, and yes, they have the capacity to be making this mortgage payment. So it's that simple. So you need to give a call to Janice because this is called asset depletion. What number should they reach you at, Janice?
Great. 619-838-7588.
Thank you. Have a great day.